Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from Group 11 from class 19 to A11. My name is Syamira Bani. My student ID number is 19242071.
My name is Gali Arfanandia. My student ID number is 19240115.
My name is Mario Rinaldi Semana Berek. My name student ID number is 19241028.
We will presentation about computer and hardware. I will presentation about computer. Computer definition. Computer is an electronic device that can be used to process data according to formulated procedure so that it will produce information that is useful for the user. The word computer comes from Latin, namely computare, which means to calculate. So, in simple terms, the definition of computer is a tool used to calculate arithmetic. History of computer development in Indonesia. The development of computer in Indonesia began in the 1980s when educational institutions and companies began to adopt this technology. Since then, the use of computer has become more widespread in various sectors. The internet and portable devices have made computers more accessible and usable by the general public. Elements on a computer. In general, a computer consists of three main elements, including one, hardware. Hardware consists of a processor, RAM, hard disk, motherboard, and CPU. Number two, software. Software is the operating system and various applications that are entered into the hardware and work according to the user's commands. Number three, computer users or brainware is a computer user or operator who use a computer. Computer component. Based on their function, computer components in a computer can be divided into three groups, namely input, process, and output. Number one, input components. This component is a hardware component that has a function as a command giver for various tasks that will be given to the computer. Some of these input components include keyboard, mouse, trackpad, pen, scanner, and microphone. Number one, process component. This component has a function to process data or process command given by brainware which are then displayed on the output component. Some of the process component include processor, motherboard, hard disk, and RAM. Number two, output components. This is a component that has the function of displaying information from commands that have been processed by the computer. Some of the output components include monitor, printer, and speaker.
Next, type of computer. Computer is come in many different type and size. It's designed for a different purpose. One, PC, personal computer. Two, Macintosh or Mac. Three, desktop computer. Four, laptop. Computer function. Computers have many important functions in everyday life, including 1. Data processing, 2. Communication, 3. Data storage, 4. Graphic and multimedia processing, 5. Modeling and simulation. Next, I will presentation about hardware. Definition of hardware. In the world of information technology, the term hardware is one of the most basic components that must be understood. Hardware is the typical component of a computer system that can be touched and fed. Unlike software, which is digital, hardware included all the real devices that support the running of a computer system. Hardware function. The function of hardware in a computer are vast and complex. Each type of hardware has a specific role in carrying out its duties. Here are the main functions of hardware. 1. Data processing. 2. Data storage. 3. User interaction with the system. 4. Proving of output. Hardware example and their function. There are the different types of hardware that have specific function. Here are some complex. 1. Hard drive. A hard drive is the main storage device in a computer. Its function is to storage data permanently. HDD, hard disk drive, uses uses magnetic disk to storage data. Less capacity but slower rate or write speed than SSD. 2. Keyboard. A keyboard is an input device used to enter data and instruction. 3. Cameras. Cameras as computers such as webcam are used to capture image or video. Webcams are widely used for video conferencing, streaming, or security purposes.
For Microsoft Home, a Microsoft Home is an input device that converts sound in a digital signal. Microsoft Homes are often used in communication applications, such as Zoom or Google Meet, as well as for voice recording. Main hard components. 1. Motherboard. The motherboard is the main circuit board that connects all the hardware components in a computer. The motherboard ensures that each computer and communicate with each other. The main features of a motherboard includes slot for the CPU, RAM, graphic card, and storage. 2. For CPU Central Processing Unit. The CPU is often referred to as the brain of the computer. Its functions include in- instruction execution, multitasking, process control, and data processing. CPU speed in measured in unit of gigahertz, while in this includes the number of instructions that can be processor per second. Three main components of a computer system: hardware, software, and firmware. A computer system contains of three main elements. 1. Hardware, the physical component that perform the tasks. 2. Software, programs that provide instruction to the hardware. 3. Firmware, user who operating the system. Best of application software. Word pressing software. 1. Microsoft for Word, Google Doc, VPS, Office, Spare Hard of number pressing software. Microsoft Excel, Google Sheet, LibreOffice, class. Different virtual hardware software and brave ones. Brown. They are complement each other in a computer system. One hardware, physical and technically such as CPU and motherboard. Two software, individual in the form of course and programs. 3. 1. Brainware, the user as the controller.
So that's our presentation from our group. Thank you.